And here is the outside shot of both doors. We'll show you for this. Start with door 1 again. Here, this is a Chamberlain 953 CD, and we'll zoom you out here, and we'll open this door. Here we go. And I'll close it back down. And I'll show you the keypad for this door. See, there it is. And now we'll run the other door using this remote, which is a Craftsman focus camera. Focus camera. TX7359. And I'll zoom you out here. And here we go. And I'll close it. Alright, now I got a little treat for you all. I'm going to show you the battery backup on this door. I'm going to open this door back up so I can get in. And I'll get a ladder out so I'll set you down here so I can get the ladder out so I can show you the battery backup here. All right. Oops. I'll show you. We'll do a close-up shot here for you. All right. Now we'll unplug it and. All right. Now I'll get over here. And oops, I bumped into the car. Alright. Here we go with battery backup. And now we'll shut it in battery backup. And that's it. I'll go ahead and get the other remote and we'll shut this door. And that'll be it. Oh yeah, I took it in with me. It's right here. Here it is. Now I'll shut this door and that'll be it. Alright, that's it.